Hey everybody, Travis, Holzenwood, Food Force Abundance, Minnesota, and I'm gonna be just uploading a pretty unique video today, kind of out of ordinary, but I thought it'd be fun. I ran out of mayonnaise, and normally I use Japanese mayo. I don't know if you ever tasted Japanese mayo before, but if you haven't, you gotta try it. It's made by Kewpie. Just look up Japanese mayo on Amazon and order it, man. I tell you what, once you taste that, that's the only mayo you will use on anything. It's amazing. But today, I ran out of regular mayo. I cooked up a turkey the other day, and now I have a bunch of meat left over. So I am chopping a lot up and gonna make a turkey salad or turkey spread. And I don't have any mayo. So I ran out, so I'm gonna make my own. I'm gonna make some homemade mayo. So this video here is how to make mayonnaise. And I've never done this before, so it's gonna be kind of interesting to see what happens. But basically the recipe is, okay, 4 ingredients. I'm adding a couple of things of my own because because it's mine, and I don't do anything per the instructions. I always got to try to add my own little taste. So it's supposed to take 5 minutes, makes 1 cup of mayo. So 2 eggs, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice or vinegar. It says freshly squeezed lemons. I'm sorry, I don't have those, and my lemon trees upstairs are just starting to flower again, so it's going to be about 6 to 8 months before I have lemons up in my bedroom again, spare room. And then 1 cup of neutral flavored oil, which is light olive oil, grapeseed oil, walnut, or sweet almond oil. What I did is I mixed half olive oil and half grapeseed oil, and then a pinch of fine grained sea salt. And I have some of this red sea salt here. I'm also going to add a little bit of garlic salt and garlic powder because I love garlic. Garlic always adds the most amazing flavor to everything. So that's what I'm doing. So let's see what happens. Here we go. So, let me just read this before I just jack this all up. All right, so a wire whisk. I'm not doing that. And I'm not gonna separate them out. I'm using a whole egg. All right, and then you do the oil a little bit at a time. A little water. Thick and fluffy. All right, I'm using this food processor right here, so let's see what happens. All right, so we're gonna start out adding these eggs. Just throw in the sink here. Excuse me, let me get a towel out here to wipe my fingers off. And then we got the 2 tablespoons of or 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I would rather have some freshly sliced or squeezed lemon because that tastes so good, especially on lemons that you grow yourself. They taste nothing like you get at the store, trust me. They're amazing. And then we're going to do our pinch of, using pink Himalayan sea salt. And then we're going to put a little bit of garlic salt and garlic powder. And now we're going to see what happens. We're going to add a little bit of oil. Start this up. exciting, I know. Really exciting to watch the food processor, you know. Let's see what happens here. I think my mayo is going to be yellow because of the egg yolks, but let's see what happens. Starting to thicken up, it looks like. We'll see. Let's see what happens. Oh, let's see. It's starting to thicken up. You're fucking kidding me. Wow. That is crazy. But I think I need to add a little more salt. Let's see, a little salt. Maybe another little touch of garlic. But, wow, that's crazy how... All right. Wow, it's that good. I know I need to thicken it up a little more, so we'll figure that out in a sec. But for the first time doing it, if I separated out the egg whites from the yolks, it would be completely white and probably more fluffy. But I really don't give a shit about that, because I'm just gonna mix it up with some turkey I'm chopping up, and it's all gonna be mixed together. They're gonna put on sandwiches, put on crackers, whatever you want. But there you go. That's how easy it is to make mayo. And I think the video says 8 minutes, but I talked for a lot of it. So took 5 minutes to make it. That's that. Have a good one. Merry Christmas, everybody.